Hi, I'm Craig with Datavideo at InfoComm 2026, and we're here at the Datavideo booth. And what I want to show you is a new feature from Datavideo. We have this whole VoiceTrx100 system here in play, where we talk with various microphone companies. And this one right here is the MXCW from Shure. And what we're doing is we're taking positional information from this microphone, and the camera system will actually cut to this shot. So if I take this position, you'll see that the camera will then come to me, and you have me on the shot, and that's actually not my name, but that information is read on this CF card. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the card out, and this card is my name, so I'm going to put that back into the headset here, and then when I start talking into this microphone, into this the system here, and I'm going to start, hello, hello, test, test, test. And now when it takes the position, my name will come up. So it's reading the data right from the system here on the microphone. And that's one of our many solutions that we have for voice tracks, where we can have automation for live video, for conferencing, and for podcasts and other solutions. For more information, visit our website at datavideo.com. Thank you.